Hello, everyone. Good morning, and welcome to Lemon Water in the Morning. Nandi, it is now 4:45 here in Jamaica, so I'm just waking up. And well, no, I'm not just waking up. I woke up at 4, and as usual, I do my meditation, my affirmation, looking at my vision board, and just getting myself in the right frame of mind for the morning. So, today being Tuesday, I'm actually on day 2 of my dry fast. And so I won't be sipping my lemon water this morning, but I'm going to talk to you about some of the maybe unorthodox ways that we use the lime and lemon in Jamaica. So you hear my voice kind of breaking. So when I'm on the dry fast, and dry fasting, for those who don't know, that is just going without food or water for a number of days. So for me, I do 2 days of dry fasting each week, usually on a Monday and a Tuesday. So today's Tuesday, this is my second day. So what the dry fasting does is it gives your body a rest, it gives your digestive system a rest, and gives your body a chance to just clean itself and reset itself, and also clear away any debris, any mucus that's you know starting to accumulate, especially if you're not eating what you know you should be eating. Lots of fruits and veggies and your herbs, herbal teas, and so on. So taking a break from eating and even drinking will definitely allow your body that time that it needs to reset. Now, I've been fasting for many, many, many years, and recently I'm more into the dry fasting. No, I don't go beyond 3 days when I'm dry fasting, because for me that is getting over into dangerous territory. However, there are persons who have gone beyond that, but the most I have gone on a dry fast is 3 days, so I don't drink even water. This is the most powerful of all the fasts. You have water fasting, you have juice fasting. I've done a 21-day coconut water fast several times. I've done water only fast for several weeks as well. But I find that the dry fasting is just so powerful, and the filtration that you see coming from your kidneys, coming through your urine during the dry fast, it is just amazing compared to regular filtration, on a water fast or on normal eating. So when I'm doing the dry fast, you won't see me sipping on my lemon water. But what I'm going to talk to you about is just I don't know if it's common in other parts of the world, but I guess some persons would say it's unconventional use. I was thinking yesterday, and so I'm going to talk to you about how we use limes and lemons in terms of personal hygiene. So in the country back in the day, this is what persons would use. Some persons would bathe with this or use it as deodorant. So while showering, you just take the halves, take the two halves of the lemon, and persons would actually rub that under their armpits, rub it under the armpits, because the lemon and the lime, they have antibacterial properties. and they have a cleansing property. So during the bath, they would just rub the lime or the lemon under the armpits, the groin area, any area that you know would sweat a lot and have a tendency to accumulate bacteria and to give off bad odors. Persons would also just cut up the limes and the lemons, put it in the bath water, and you would sit in that for a while. If you have trouble with, for example, blotchy skin or dark patches on your skin, you can rub the lime and the lemon on that area, wait for like 15 to 20 minutes. It's going to sting a little because you know the limes and the lemons have a mild acid, citric acid or ascorbic acid. And so, yeah, you're going to get that sting. But that is what is actually doing the work of helping the dead skin cells on the epidermis to shed quicker. And that is what is going to work towards giving the skin a more even tone and getting rid of those blotches, those dark areas of the skin. So if you're using the limes and lemons for personal hygiene in that way, so it's a double dose, it's a two-sided effect. You'll get the effect of the cleansing and the antibacterial effect, as well as getting rid of those dark patches, the dark patches under your arm. I've read in my research, persons have combined this with baking soda also for that, to that effect. Leave it on for a little while. If your skin is very sensitive, don't leave it on for more than 3 or 5 minutes, I would say, because it can cause itching due to the acidic nature of it, right? But if you can tolerate it, you can leave it on 10-15 minutes and allow it to work. So it's a natural exfoliant. The acid will cause the upper layer, the dead cells on the epidermis, to break away, and so you can wash that away when you are showering. So it's not that you would leave the lime on for the day as a like a roll on or something like that. So you cleanse with it, and then after you shower, you rinse and dry properly. You could use baking soda under the armpits and the groin area and so on. All right, so I just thought I'd share that with you, seeing as I'm not going to be gulping down on my lemon water this morning. So I'm feeling pretty good, quite used to it. One of the effects of the dry fast is you'll find that my lower lip is a little bit dry, sometimes might get even chapped, but that's a natural part of it. As soon as I start drinking water again and eating normally again, that goes away. All right, so yeah, so thank you for joining me on my live this morning, lemon water in the morning. Just to remind you, this is a space that I've created where you can come and you can just relax and you can just talk about whatever is on your mind. You wake up in the morning with something, some burning issue, or you had some dream that you want to share, some nightmare you want to get off your mind and talk about, or anything else that's on your mind. We can talk about that while I am promoting to you the lifestyle of starting your day on an empty stomach with your lime water or your lemon water, the tremendous benefits of that. So that is what this session is all about. Remember, on this channel, it's all about eating your fruits, your veggies, making your fruit juices and your herbal teas, getting that exercise in the morning, or maybe if you're an evening person, walking, jogging, hiking, cycling, swimming, that kind of stuff, getting your body moving. This channel is about meditation, um, doing your affirmations, making your vision board so you can see what you're working towards. Give yourself, always have something that you're working towards. So make your vision board, get pictures of things that you have as goals, paste them up there, put some powerful words up there, and you look at that. I have 3 sessions daily, 3 vision board sessions daily, and I do my affirmations. There are certain songs that I sing that get me in a particular mood, in a particular vibe, to go through the day. And I highly recommend that. So if you have not yet subscribed to Vibrant Authentic Living, I urge you to do that and to click the notification bell so you'll know whenever I go live. Check out my other videos on juicing and on healthy living in general. There are tons of videos where I go through and show you the process that I use for my juicing and my meditation and all of that. So thank you for joining me this morning, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. All right, guys, take care.